Pass me that brown paper back from my case, please.
Are they still following us?
Yes.
Is there one of them? Just hum if there is.
Hmm?
Is he looking at us?
Hmm?
Does he have just one hand on the steering wheel?
Mm-hmm.
When you hear something that sounds like a gunshot, drive.
Did you get it?
Let's just hope he doesn't drive as quickly as he moves.
I got news for you. He does.
Take a right. And then an immediate left. Nicely done.
Hold on. Is he gone?
You know, I don't think so.
Reverse down the sidewalk, and then drive around the block. And, meet me back here.
Помочь девчонке сбежать.
I think you should look out the window.
You can't be serious.
He's trying to stop the car.
We're struggling here. Why don't you take a shot at him?
Somehow, it just doesn't seem like the right thing to do.
First left and immediate right.
This road isn't going anywhere.
Taking us exactly where we want to
Getting
go.
narrower.
It's all part of the plan. Now put your foot down and drive a little faster.
Good plan. All we have to do is get over two 20-foot walls and a minefield. Now what?
Take another left through the window.